Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to go live on the Facebook like this. As you will see, people are live now on the Facebook. How you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, to go live you have to open your Facebook mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, here you will see three options. So you have to click on this live button. Once you will click on it, now from here you have to add the description. Then you can simply add any of your friend from here. Then you can also add checking here, and then simply you have to click on this go live button. So once you will do it, you will be live on the Facebook. So this is the procedure to go live on the Facebook. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.